Hello everyone, I am Vishnu. Today my priority is railway reservation system. Here the scope of the project is here we need to develop an web application that can make users to book the ticket online itself without waiting in the queue in railway stations. In my project, for backend I have used the web API and frontend I have used the AngularJS. Here we have used the code first approach, and in backend these are the folders present in my system. I mean project. This controller folder, data folder, and model folder, and a repository folder, and services folder. These are the folders I have made. In models folder, it is an object. It represents the data in my applications. So here we can see the models folder. So this is the data present in my application. It in bank credit class. In coming to repositories, generally I have made a loosely coupled application, so that's why I have made this folder repository. So in repository, it contains one interface class and one repo class. In interface class, it contains only the methods. So as we know, the interface contains only the methods without the body. So in repo class, we have implemented the logic for that methods by using that by inheriting the interface class. And in services class, generally it acts as bridge like repositories and controllers. And coming to controllers, it deals with the HTTP request, and in controllers class it deals with the HTTP request and send back to the user. And here I have here I have used the mail sending function. So when the user is registered to our system, so that it will send the mail to the user like your email is registered successfully with this locomotive project. And coming to the startup.cs class, these are the middlewares I have used, and this is for the JSON token purpose. And let's go to the front end part. In front end part, generally these are the models I have created here. Generally, Angular holds the information in the browser and send it to the database. So that to store that information, we need the models. So that's why I have created the models here. And coming to services folder, here only I am connecting that web API to the Angular part by using this localhost port number. And after that, here these are the some methods I have used in services. And I am going to use these methods in the components. And these are the components I have done in this system, in this project, like booking component and booking history component, ticket component, all these things. And generally, a component is used to write the logic. That means what is the particular component does do. I mean the functions of the component. And in HTML, it is used to develop the web page of the component, and in CSS folder, it is used to for the styling of that web page. And without wasting any time, let's go to the demo part. So first we need to run the backend. So after that we need to mention that. So as we can see, this is our home page, and here is the footer, and these are the some details, terms and conditions, and contact us, and this is the phone number and the email. And first the user is going to login, so that's why I'm clicking this login button. So here we need to mention the specified details so that we can log in. So if the user don't have any account means he can click the sign up button. After clicking the sign up button, he can give the details like name, mail, and mobile number, address, and password. So I already have an account, that's why I'm simply logging to my account. So here we can see that I have gave the required field validations also. For mail and password also I gave. So here also you can see that password is required. After clicking the login button, here we can see this is the user interface. Like the user dashboard, here the user can see the two sections. One is train section and the one is booking section. In booking section, he can see the his past bookings. He can able to cancel at any time also. So as you can see, the last ticket is cancelled. After that, he can book the tickets by clicking the train section. So he need to give the destination and address, from address and to address. And after that, he need to give the date also. If the train is not available on that particular date, so that it will show that no train is found. So that when if the train is there at a day at particular date, it will show the trains like this. So here we can see the Chennai Express train. After clicking the book now button, so here the user should give the passenger details. So I am giving the passenger details, and here we need to select the class type also. So after clicking the class type, so here we can say the fare details. It is generated dynamically based upon the classes type, and this is the passenger details, and this is the booking details. After clicking the pay now button, here the user should give the card details. So I am giving all the card details and CVV numbers all. And here I am giving the validity card validity. After clicking the pay button, here we can see that the payment is successful, and here the booking is confirmed after paying. So that here we can see the ticket is generated successfully. So that a user can download the ticket. So here we can see the ticket is downloaded successfully. Now let's go to the admin part. For admin also we need to log in. So I'm giving the admin login details. Here the admin login details I have hard coded. So this is the admin dashboard. Here we can see the three sections for admin. He can add for train section, seat section and customer section. In train section he can add the trains. So that here we can add the one train. I am naming the train name as Kaveri Express. I am giving the date and time also. So I am giving it as 16 date, arrival date, 18 date, Jammu, Jammu to Chennai. So it's around 12,000, 2,000 kilometers. So after clicking the save button, the train is added successfully. Here we can see the Kaveri Express, and by clicking this edit button, we can able to edit the train details also. So before that I made it as 15, right? So 16, right? So now I am changing the date as the arrival date is 19 and departure date is 21. So after clicking the update, it is updated successfully. In coming to seat section, here the user should add the seats. So the admin should can able to add the seats to the trains. So before we have created the Jammu train, the train ID is 5. It is the auto incremental property I applied there. In first AC, I have 30 and second AC is 70. In sleeper 100. Total 200 seats I am giving here. So here we can see that the train seats is added successfully. So in customer section, the admin can view the number of customers booked the train. So here we need to specify the train ID. After clicking the search button, here we can see this one passengers are booked this train, and these two passengers are cancelled the ticket, and these two are confirmed. So this is my project. Thank you.